These pork bones are the raw material for making instant noodle soup packs. It is said that instant noodles are unhealthy, but do you know the process of making it? Next, let's take a look at how the factory makes instant noodles. First, the worker pours the high-quality flour into the mixer and at the same time adds an appropriate amount of chicken stock to it and mixes it together. The wet flour, which has been mixed evenly, is then pressed into flakes by a press, and a very fine hob cuts the dough into strips. They are then sent to the steamer to be cooked, and then cut into even portions by a rotary cutter. Now they are sent to the drying chamber to remove the moisture. At this time, the soup pack workshop next to it is mixing the pork bone thick soup with soy sauce and other seasonings evenly, ready to pack. This thick soup is to send the pork stick bones to the grinder to be crushed, so that the pork bones can be fully released. Of course, in addition to the soup package, there are also dried vegetables made of various vegetables. This dehydrated vegetable can still retain the original nutritional picture. The dried instant noodles slide down along the chute and collide with the noodle cake in front, which can cut off the protruding noodles at the front and back. Finally, these dough cakes will go to the packaging area to meet the soup and vegetable bags, and they can be packed and shipped.